Hi everyone, I'm Jake Urban from the Jackson Hole Outdoor Leadership Institute, and here's another quick tip to help you live better in the backcountry. When we're preparing to go out into the backcountry, the first place to start is by getting the right equipment. And so as a minimum mandatory, beacon, shovel, and probe are some of the things that we're going to be carrying with us. And so one of the things that helps us organize that equipment is our backpack. I use a pack from Apocalypse Equipment, and they have a separate compartment here known as a mud room where I can store my shovel blade for easy access. I then have separate sleeves inside my pack that keep my shovel shaft and my probe for easy access, and it separates it from the rest of the items in my pack. A point worth mentioning about your probe: any of the packaging that it comes in, this stuff, throw it in the garbage. Why? Well, store your probe like this into the sleeve in the back of your pack. That way when you pull it out, it's that much faster to deploy. Now that you've got all your equipment organized, the next step in the process is to practice using it. So we're going to demonstrate for you an avalanche drill. During the avalanche drill, it gives us an opportunity to be able to get out our equipment, deploy it, show that we know how to use it effective and efficiently. This does not take the place of a beacon drill. Rather, this gives us the opportunity to organize our equipment to be better effective when we're engaging in beacon drills. Avalanche! Commonly when people practice, they focus on speed. We highly discourage that process. Ultimately, what we recommend you do is to focus on being more efficient, being much smoother with your process, and then recognizing that the more you practice, the faster you'll become. So what that means is that you don't become quick by practicing fast. You actually become fast because of practice. So take your time, slow down, make sure that you're methodical, and work through the process. You'll get faster in time. Hey everyone, thanks for taking the time to watch and giving me the opportunity to share. If you want to learn more, hit the big red subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you really want to up your game, check out our website, go to our classes page, and join us for an in-person course to live better in the backcountry.